don't wanna do her with her friends. Baby, I'm no bands, I'm fit on. Running out them bands, bitch, I'm. Bitch, pockets looking big, big. My pockets looking big. Hey, pocket looking big. Bank account looking big. 40 make it dance like a jig. You in the way, put a hole in your wig.
Today is going to be an interesting video. You guys probably already know in these boxes I have a head unit from my 2013 STI hatchback. But I kind of just took everything apart and put it in these boxes because I thought it might have been a little bit easier for me to show everything instead of having to remove like packaging and stuff like that. This right here, this is just like an extra piece because the head unit I do have is carbon fiber. So this is just like the plastic part in case you don't want to run the carbon. For the most part, I mean, if you look on the head unit right now, I kind of did connect everything that I'm pretty sure I need to put in right now. So I watched a shit ton of videos and I think I should be good. I'm gonna have my brother help me out a little bit, but I'm not sure. And the guy did give me, did give me 2 of these like removal tools. I think it already does come with the iDoing head units, but I did buy it used. It seems like everything is good though. I mean, there's obviously fingerprints and whatnot on here, but if you look at the carbon and stuff, it's fucking mint. Like, it looks so fucking nice, and it looks so nice with everything because I have a ton of carbon stuff I want to do to the interior of the car. Not this. This is the Miata steering wheel. If you guys do want to see the Miata, hit the like button. In a future episode, I'll definitely show the car off. Here's just a sneak peek on something you guys will see very soon. It is just a carbon fiber steering wheel. For some reason, this is like one of the first mods I like to do in all my cars because I feel like it changes everything, especially the stock steering wheel for the STI is so like mid. So most people usually change their head units from the stock radio because they usually want to upgrade their sound, and sometimes these newer head units kind of can have more EQ levels and stuff like that where you could change and kind of amp up the sound of your stock car. In my case, I feel like my speakers are still going to be shit because it's a base model. I can use Apple Carplay and Android Auto, and it's all wireless, so it just looks a lot better on a bigger display. Oh look, it's you guys. But enough talking, we should probably go outside before it gets even colder, and holy shit, my hair. Before it gets even colder, so I'll see you guys out there, and hopefully me and my brother can start this shit and finish before my work starts.
Real one, yeah, real one, yeah, real one, yeah. I'm a cash getting ass kicking real one. I got real guns. Talking outside, had to go in and pick one. I'm a real one. I'm a real one. I'm off the pills, it won't hurt, I won't feel none. I'm a real one. I'm a real one.
Okay, so there's a screw here, a screw here, a screw here, a screw here, and then 2 over here. We're just taking these off just so it's easier for us to pull this one out because cables are pretty thick back there, so I don't know. We have to finesse it our way out. So these are all the wires we have disconnected right now. We're gonna have to look at what each of these does, obviously, but I'm trying to figure out how to get off all of these other cables. We're gonna remove all this, and hopefully we didn't break anything because it was like really hard to get this out for some reason. Because again, it's not like OEM, it's like OEM plus, and it was, I don't know, everything. The cable's not like thick, but it was just such a bitch to get out. Alright guys, it is the next day. The shit didn't work yesterday and I'll explain why. So I'm with Nate and we're gonna head down to Toyota, meet one of my co-workers. He's a mechanic and he could probably help me out with this and figure out if he could do anything. If not, I did order a part that should come sometime next month and it should help us fix the issue. Oh, you little bitch. Okay, so now let me explain what's going on. Right now, this is my current setup right now. I even fucking had to take off the place to put the cob, so I might end up having to put like that 3D printed vent mount or whatever. When we took this out, we didn't realize that the whole all the connections in the back were completely different than the ones that have to be wired in the iDoing head unit. So we didn't know what the hell to do because we didn't have any of the, connectors and whatnot. So we found something that could work and we already ordered it. I just want to take it to Tony to see if we can get the same connector right now or any place that he knows or if he even has it or something, because then we could have it done today instead of having to wait a couple months. All right, we're gonna head down there. I'll see you guys in a sec.
Yeah, all these niggas pussy, I'ma fuck the world. That's on my gang, call up my gang. They're down to slide, they're down to hang, fuck it, they're down to bang. Blow your brains, blow your brains, blow your brains. Ain't no remains.
Just look at her beauty at Toyota. So right now, Balu's working currently.
Hey, look, you bring in service because car broken.
No, and head unit, man.
Broken.
No, not broken.
It is broken.
No, the wire needs fix.
Yeah, see, everything broken.
Look, it's Billy.
What are you doing here?
A new head unit, bro.
New head unit? Does it have Bluetooth or no Bluetooth?
Yeah.
This one, no connecting.
No connecting.
No connecting. Service drive over there.
I just went through the service drive. Oh my god. I do have RO.
No RO, no being shot, man.
I do have RO. Look, RO.
This is not fucking RO. You are fucking. No fucking.
Oh my god.
Did you talk to Manaj?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a good one, buddy.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Okay, so I parked the car in the back of Toyota, and these are still out here.
Don't touch my fucking car, man.
Alright, we're gonna leave it here. I'm gonna go see if Tony's in his bay, and then I'm gonna give him my keys, and hopefully he can work some magic out or help me find a place where I can get a connector or some shit, because I don't think it's gonna work out today, because I don't want him cutting any wires. Because that connector we bought is just, there's no point that we even bought it, or rewire everything. It's pointless.
The fuck you want, bitch? God damn it, you made me fuck up.
So my car's parked outside over there.
That sucks.
Yeah.
What the fuck you doing?
I'm recording for my vlog.
Why?
I don't know, you look sexy. Just keep going.
Let's get as fuck.
You're gonna be like the star princess of it. Is that your whip?
You're a fucking monster. You can find another one that's fucking plug and play for that shit.
That's true. Yeah, it's whatever.
I don't like saying I know how to do them here because then they'll fucking get me for next story. They're sure to overflow.
That's true.
Fuck that. Oh, this is gonna suck.
So basically, guys, Tony said that it's a stupid idea for me not to just wait. And damn. Yeah, so he's telling me not to wait because I already bought the thing, and that's gonna be like I know for a fact like 100% is gonna work after that, and he doesn't want to like cut wires and shit, which I already knew. So we made this trip for no reason, but it's fine. I got to see Papa Tony in his natural habitat. I'm gonna go see Fernando really quick too, because I gotta talk to him about something. He's another friend of mine that works here. He has a STI. Hey, Hoto. Hoto. I'm gonna let Nate drive the car back home. It was a fucking pointless run that we came here today, but I got to see some of my coworkers. And also my hair is just like all over the place today. Like, what the fuck? I'm like not looking at the camera. I'm kind of like looking at myself on the side right now. This is like good lighting though, but Nate, what do you think about the lighting, man?
It's kind of bright out.
You shut your bitch ass up. Yeah, so we talked to Tony. He said that the wiring harness I already bought should work, so there's no really reason for me to come in and end up ruining everything even more, because most he could do, as I said, is just cut the stuff, and that's not what we kind of want to do with this. I'm gonna keep it as is. It's fine if I don't have music. It's not really that big of a deal. What are you doing? Nate's ADHD kicking in. Yeah, no, and then I just told him it's fine, and I went to go talk to Fernando because I make his thumbnails, and he just uploaded new videos, so you guys can check it out, like somewhere over here. I'll put the card up. I was just giving him like tips and shit on how to grow his channel, even though I'm still trying to work on mine. But there's, with the algorithm and everything changing, I just wanted to, help him out and show him like other things that he could use to make his videos more like prominent in like search histories or like searches and shit like that.
So basically, he was trying to help him with the search history thing in the gym.
No, not search it. I don't know what the fuck I'm. Okay.
What is it?
You know when you like search for videos, like you get like the stuff, the algorithm. You know what I'm saying? Like I was just trying to help him like figure out the algorithm right now, because nowadays like the description matters in YouTube videos. So I'm just trying to tell him that. That's the whole reason why I went to go see him, basically. So I went to go see Tony. He told me to stick with what I got and just wait for it. I went to go see Fernando to talk to him about his YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, blah, 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 and then we're gonna head back home.
So basically what he was saying is he talked to him about his YouTube channel and how to make it better to get more views. But now we're going home. God damn.
Hey, shout out to all my Pokemon cards back there.
Yeah, thanks.
We're gonna do a little first person action for Nate. Nate, can you see everything?
Yeah.
Gotta say goodbye to my mom. I've been here too long. I've done too many wrongs. Sell all my clothes. If I die tonight, just know I ain't sell my soul. Walking towards the light and I let it take control. Oh no. Steps to an overdose.
We went with a box full of stuff I needed installed and came back with a paper with some numbers on it. But hey, Nate got to drive the whip.
We got a bag for the seat.
My brother locked me out of my own house.
Oh, you.
Fuck. Okay, so I'm just gonna call it quits for this video. So after waiting like a month, we finally got a part in that we could use. So this is the part that was different because we had this head unit and now we bought it and I had to take off the old one, put that one on. So now it should work. We got an audience today. It's also my brother's birthday, so shout out to him. At least we got it out though. Thank God for my brother. Oh yeah!
I don't feel right.
Now presenting Kicking It with the Katsos.
How the fuck? See the crumbs in his lips.
I'm gonna vlog using my phone right now. I just bought a Cobb ASCII port from him.
Not yours.
It's not mine, but I bought it. And we're gonna be giving it to my...
Shit.
Shut your bitch. We're gonna wait for my friend Tyler. You guys obviously know Tyler. We're gonna wait for him. I'm gonna give this to him because his birthday just passed recently. So me and a few other buddies pitched in to get him this. So hopefully if this guy doesn't scam us, look at
For
this.
an ST, goddammit.
You're right, but it should work with the Subi, no? And then we also got Moss here. You guys know Moss. Hey, yo, fit check right now. Fit check. Talk about your fit real quick.
We got the turd jacket, man. We got the Thrasher Basher hoodie on. You know, we got some black packs on jeans. We got the Travie patties.
Woo!
Woo!
All right, talk about your fit.
This is not my name.
He's fucking wearing some other dude's jacket. Something about him, you guys should always know, his zipper is always open.
I'm just saying, bro. Look, you finished the goddamn bottle.
Okay, but what was in it? Probably just like prescription pills.
And dick hardening pills, dude.
Tell me that guy uses dick hardening pills.
Fucks like a racehorse. 2 gallons of propane in his balls every day before he shaves them. Just because you've never shaved your genitalia area, you have a fucking bush.
Look, it's not
like
that
bad. Video logging? Logging on video. Video logging.
Yes.
Vlog? Bitch? How about a blog? You fucking cunt.
What's up?
What's up, man?
How you doing, bro?
Chilling, man.
The reason I stopped here is because I got your gift. Well, me, Balu, and Nate.
Yeah.
It's used, but like, yeah, for your birthday. It's used, but it's okay.
What the fuck?
And it's from Andrew, and it might not work, but we paid him, and there's one little scratch there. But I was like, hope it should be good. So he said, try it unmarried, but everything should work. If it doesn't work, he'll give me the money back.
I just fucking plug it in?
So you plug it in here, and you plug down the ECU, and then when it turns on, it should give you an option to marry it. Okay, well, let's see. Fuck yeah! Okay, it's unmarried. Good job. Cool. Merry birthday, bro.
Walking towards the light and I let it take control. Oh no, steps to an overdose.